Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today I have a OnePlus 5 here. I just got this today. I'm going to be doing a video on it later on that's going to be more of an unboxing review kind of video. But I just wanted to get over, or to explain something. I do have Verizon, and there is this big thing about OnePlus phones not working on Verizon. The OnePlus 5 is a world phone that supports 34 different bands, and Verizon uses bands 2, 4, and 13. The OnePlus does not support 13, which is the 700 megahertz band on Verizon, which is their biggest band. It's the one that provides LTE in smaller communities, and is the band that's better when you're inside buildings and stuff like that. My phones around here, living in a city, normally operate on band 4, which the phone supports, so I have had no problems connecting it to LTE. The only thing is, there is a software thing with OnePlus as well, since they technically don't support Verizon, that it won't work on voice over LTE. So when you connect it to LTE, it runs in almost like an LTE only mode, and you lose the CDMA 1X connection. So you can't send SMS messages, and you can't send or receive calls. So if you go in here and you go to your SIM and network settings, my SIM card right here, and my access point names, you can see I have some stuff in here which you can find online, just the Verizon, and it is currently running on 3G, as I said. I have it in 2G, 3G mode. If you put it in 2G, 3G, 4G mode, sometimes you'll lose the connection altogether. I have been able to connect on band number 4 on Verizon, and I have been able to use data with LTE, but like I said, I can't call or send SMS messages. So that's the only problem there. So the only thing we really need to do to get this phone working is to have OnePlus update their software so that either they enable band 13 or they make it so the software is there for the APNs for Verizon to work with the bands 2 and 4, which work perfectly fine for me. That's what my iPhone used anyway. It never even used band 13, so no issue there. The Qualcomm X16 radio in this phone does support band 13, so like I said, this is a software-sided issue only. So if you guys want to get a OnePlus on Verizon, make sure you go over and tweet OnePlus, email OnePlus, call OnePlus, like this video, share this video, everything like that, and get them to add support for Verizon, because this phone is fully capable of supporting that network, even in the current state right now. As long as they add a couple things in the software to make it switch LTE, 1X, stuff like that, so you can get calls and text, it would work perfectly fine, even without band 13. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below, and as always, have a great day.